Make a great choice today with the 2019 Infiniti Qx50. The Infiniti Qx50 is the perfect blend of luxury and power. You will be impressed with the Qx50's agile sports sedan-like handling. It comes with a very responsive steering and strong brakes. The Qx50 offers extremely high levels of safety and luxury, all with a sleek new design. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights. Your new ride is just a phone call away.